person the Mr. Enzo Bono, Mr. Manfred Kofi Asante Kwachi.
Okay. And
that is not the purpose. And it's Obi ni Manfred Asante Kwachi wa ha. I say Fifi Manfred. Mr.
Memo Manfred.
Me kwa ni ono ye Mr. Nejuma no be Nejuma. Aha ni enye Fifi Manfred on kwa de.
Mrs. Nezeba catch me.
Debi me ana me catch you. Okay. Mrs. Ono brand Fifi Manfred on kan bi. Eh me no mo tie me pe. Yeah.
Okay, me be some question maybe because we are Chelsea fan.
Yeah.
And me say anopay South story a cop viral pa and obi e bisa say eye no kre. Chelsea's nightmare asemben anase Chelsea nightmare no eye de ben a Enzo Fernandez near tete before even the World Cup. So Abrante no also free eye Chelsea at a point it is here so Real Madrid no okwakusi akandia momo it is still Barcelona bi ni adia. Then Yabetis here so Ansha Man City be losing Rodri to either Real Madrid or Barcelona. And the City for say, especially coach Enzo Maresca, so okay, so Rodri back dia, and the perfect replacement for Branton will be Enzo Fernandez. And openya yeba studio no, the year tete, and it looks like Man City for na jatum, so Rodri need to abako. Now so abako dia, then the possible replacement Enzo Fernandez into Omo Chelsea. Normal be far Branton. As a Chelsea fan and as a journalist, and say me no crebe in the womb.
No crebe. Maresca is from day one. Ne first love. In the region, coaches always want a coach on the field of play. Or no coach in your touchline. Because especially abroad, the level of football I could do, no, adding for you to coach 90 minutes straight. And then Maresca interview be, and I heard something that they be anami but I mean say idea na intentional. Maresca say ni team bia wa coach bia. Se team ni shego captain and celebrity. Or say the team ni shego captain has to come to him for instruction. Into Russia almost every time Chelsea be shego bia regimes and I say Enzo Fernandez ever caught Maresca ho. It used to happen a lot in games, but unless I had to eat captains, no go there, then fine. One watching go. But if any other person scores, what I'm trying to say is that in the modern game, there are certain things that you need to be able to win a match beyond preparation on a tactical board and as a training ground. And one of the key and most important things for you to get a player coach of a sort, as in a tactical linchpin, they are. So system ni nyina evolve around. Akwa is a fulcrum no. Into Ojina Park no so a. Ono na ebia yes a shape, ye press high, ye bo medium, ye city low. All of that player becomes that guy. Now look at how Enzo Maresca used Enzo Fernandez at Chelsea. Ubeka in the first 2-3 games, Enzo Fernandez are mobile. Chelsea fans were asking questions. The first match, Stamford Bridge, Enzo Fernandez not to bench. He did not start. After the game, Mr. Maresca said, I didn't think one Enzo and Bobby. Or say tactically, how he wants to play, Enzo does not get it. Now, when he got it, Obigini said, oh, you see Enzo Fernandez in multiple roles. Not even born as a right-sided central midfielder, left-sided central midfielder, or trying or deep, or trying as a number 10. Baby, when using the part to be the deep, into most of the times, Caicedo was the deep player because for Enzo, the security on the ball, not sometimes say Uta gets in with a lot of physical DMs. Caicedo is more combative and a fighter than Enzo Fernandez in that regard. It's not Enzo or Caicedo rather deep. But to be the connector between the midfield and the attack, no, Enzo was doing it brilliantly. Even times and your friend is saying he could play as Chelsea's number 10.
Maybe the goals grab a count.
The goal or metamorphosing the play no. Now he mentioned say he wants his midfielders to run from deep into one from the right hand side of midfield, left hand side of midfielder. Nenzo Fiecheno abepim. No Fiecheno abepim. He could even play him on the left hand side of the wing. Of course, essentially he will come inverted to be in the left half space, but then nominally he not starting. So he's an important player for him. I also do think that Spanish speaking people say Omobabishia, Hispanics, no, especially Omomufi, Northern America, Southern America, baby show Omote Spanish, Omunyasa relationship now it's good. Again, there's a good relationship between Argentina and Italy. If you go back to colonization, Argentina and Italy have always had good ties in terms of exchanging people. In fact, there are a lot of Argentine Italians. That relationship probably might have been built, I think, from tactical point of view, also from the fact that there's similarity in culture between countries, so free, and of course, almost Chelsea, they probably had some successes, of course, winning the Club World Cup, any other. So he wants him. I think it is true that based on the reasons Maka wants me, so because a nightmare for Chelsea fans, because it is very true, say Maresca Eka say, okay, me pay Enzo Fernandez and me pen. Morning. Which let me make a revelation to you. The problem is not Enzo Fernandez. The problem is Javier Pastore. Enzo betina na want. It is his agent Javier Pastore. Which I'm of the firm conviction say Javier Pastore G2 and make ramene agony. Say Enzo deserves more in terms of wages and remuneration than what he's getting at Chelsea. Plus, in terms of success and baby Enzo betime do no bonim. If you compare what he has achieved at the country level, winning the Copa America, going on to go and win World Cup back, and mind you, in the last 2 editions of the World Cup, Enzo Fernandez are boning new final. But at Chelsea, Waji Club World Cup back, Waji Conference League, in between them, no oyene dorsal, instability dorsal. So as an agent, that is why Javier Pastore has always positioned Enzo as what place can be the most stable place beyond Chelsea. That you get the money, you get credit, you get success, and a bit more for us to push you higher. As an agent, that is his job. And of course, I know Madrid was the first choice for them. Madrid the one now the most viable place under Enzo Maresca at Manchester City. The good thing as a Chelsea fan, I say, Rich, Enzo ni Tony below 120 million. On paper, and said Niska.
Before Ube drew pricing, will you? I don't. Chelsea fans, more you're worried. Say, money Enzo Maresca age man, young coach. No on shada achieve BBA, and I'm on man platform big to say Chelsea.
Yeah.
O coach Chelsea o, and oko flirty with Man City. Oni omo so na she share chiro ko bobon ko mobi, and I'm hu and a ekofa antawantawa bae, and I'm jana kwan. Now say it is the same story with Fernandez and so. Thinking say as only Chelsea na Juma. He's a player you brought from Benfica. Chelsea and Cotonou free club bia omo Champions League and ABB. And omo de buy. Now if one of the main reason why Opeso free Chelsea to say the Enzo Maresca and thinking say as a Man City is a better place for him. He can win more there. I say Hono or ye Jumana ni Dimbe Kosuru ye.
And I say there is a slight difference. Maresca was constructed just like Enzo is contracted. But Maresca decided to leave the club on only coach. Club Ninya BB and Funo the leader of the team. And in January, Meko showed signs that Meko. One of the best things about Enzo Fernandez, is our story of Minya Madrid, I met Sana Madrid, a city I'm a peno. Enzo has acquitted himself fairly well. In fact, better than Julian Alvarez. At the World Cup, almost Betino, at the time, I was going to focus on so Ora Stadium, and I was clear my mind says on Nhyira Kasa. Also, Seremo. The Chelsea Ayama and Yema Bakono, no London. So Madrid is a good city, but ye per London. Munyan to was Yema. Then they quote Enzo again, Gaston Edu, Argentine journalist. What's in the mix zone? No, Massa. Madrid in Ondabena Oko. No, me World Cup. Let us forget about that. So I think that Enzo has been okay, and now about training. Rich Osha pictures now. Maybe or that, but at least.
No, but you see, the bottom line is, and yet Subaino the ends justify the means.
But
out of all the Chelsea players who fifi unim da say you can say pinpoint player about what Chelsea team this year only obe free wa because Enzo Fernandez
because not science in clear.
So the akabia or mubia no to me a contest analysis now. But I'm saying say me Chelsea fan me who say your new owners they are building a project. Na say me who say me coach a conflict. And yes, I'm a Jana coin. Then one of my key players to Jimmy who say, I say, Hana me one me Nadia me pay.
The should be worried. The truth of the matter is that based on the trajectory at Chelsea Akumono, you will not get more than 80% of players in the level of Enzo Fernandez that will see that okay. They will not even think of it.
Oh, okay. Because of the project,
Yeah, because Nhyira Koyi, even manager no call buy no be mine success no. January call. And I'm saying that the best thing Chelsea, I told Chelsea this summer is to get Xabi Alonso. Because Rich, imagine there was another rookie manager, Liam Rossini. I mean, young manager will be anyone. No. Enzo would have gone, but getting Xabi. Now he will begin to look at the side of his eyes. Okay, maybe I have no crown and you bad sir. Maybe the NSA I like Chelsea stand. Say, take the money if they say he wants to go. And Man City any discount. And I say the because Enzo
and as you see, Man City are desperate.
Yeah, any problem?
Go.
Yeah, any problem?
Am I desperate?
No, yeah, any problem? Say who go Vienna so afraid Mendes about Pedro Neto.
Okay.
75. Yeah, who be far kwa Geneva can say go for it here people. You pay, you take.
Yeah, you're not 20.
Yeah, there is here. Ala play and then okay, let's go Madrid. For how long?
Yeah,
Enzo you bet marry now number 1 season. But after that 1 season, what will you do? For me, in K.
No, even the 1 season, no crown. Performance be not the man.
Yeah,
for I'm happy.
For Chelsea, Senkombe to me, give the player the salary he wants, 350,000, and yes, give it to Enzo Fernandez. Let him play 1 season under Xabi. Okay. If Xabi can convince you to stay the long term, because Enzo is a top player.
If you are to say the can be an opinion. If you are branding if you say look, say love one I'm do no. The meme pese minya as a player no. Chelsea to me farmer.
No,
especially Chelsea this season and also next season.
Yeah.
Great,
but
only domestic.
When he spoke with Kukureya about Chelsea, he spoke about 2 things: instability.
Okay.
Now Chelsea have brought in players that we all see that so that seeming instability will go down. Plus, on one can say Chelsea have got Morgan Rogers. Now the most expensive British signing in England. So he Enzo will know that okay, this club is showing ambition. Plus, Xabi Alonso na aba. Xabi no coach Madrid now person konepen. And in who your midfielder, Xabi was a midfielder. In the World Cup now wajeno Xabi GB. Wasaje Champions League, Premier League non GB, but class 1 GB. Okay. So all of that together, Enzo will now begin to feel okay he can play there. Now Maresca then Maresca the City. City today is without Bernardo Silva. It's going to be without Rodri. It's going to be without Gundogan. A lot of senior players. So even City themselves,
it will take time.
So if we can give him the money that he wants, I think Enzo should be able to stay.
And that's a coffee. Fifi Manfred and I'm attending Canin Shawazo for 0.5 years.